Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the left ear cup. Power off and unplug so you don't tug a live cable. Once set, wipe the cup rim with a cloth to remove debris. Use your small flat tool at the bottom seam to lift the retaining ring a hair, then hook your fingers under the pad and peel it straight off. This avoids tearing the fabric. Once the pad clears the outer lip, rotate slightly to free any hidden clips and place the old pad aside for inspection. Now install the new pad. Align its foam center with the driver and cup opening so the fabric stretches evenly. Once aligned, seat the top edge into the groove first, then work your fingers around pressing the pad's perimeter into the channel. Make sure each clip or lip seats with a distinct click. That tells you it's secure. As you press, smooth the fabric to remove wrinkles and keep consistent tension. This maintains seal and comfort and ensures sound isolation performs as intended. Repeat the same removal and installation on the right side using identical motions so both pads match. Once both are installed, give each pad a gentle tug to confirm clips are engaged, then plug in and play audio to check for balanced sound and no rubbing. If you notice looseness, power down and reseat the problem pad, pressing each clip until it snaps. If fabric tears or foam is misshapen, swap for another replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.